Just the tips.
Always, always, always hire a full-time property inspector. And never, never, never hire a property inspector who's also a contractor. Someone who's both a contractor and property inspector has what you call a
conflict of interest.
Meaning that if you hire a property inspector who's also a contractor, you'll be amazed at how many issues they find that they'd be happy to fix for a low, low rate. The catch with hiring a full-time property inspector is they do charge more for their services. An experienced property inspector may cost several $100s, which sounds expensive until you consider the fact that if you don't hire a property inspector, you may buy a house that requires thousands of dollars worth of repairs. Not hiring a property inspector is definitely a case of being penny wise and pound foolish.
Number 2, they're a member of the ASHI.
Your property inspector should be a member of the ASHI, or the American Society of Home Inspectors. Members must perform at least 250 home inspections and pass 2 written exams before joining. ASHI members also participate in continuing education requirements to maintain their membership.
Number 3, they take at least 2 to 3 hours to inspect a property.
Property inspections are not a race. Your property inspector needs to do a thorough job, which means inspecting the entire property from foundation to roof. Anything less is unacceptable.
Number 4, they perform property inspections in your area.
You want an inspector who primarily works in the area you're looking to buy. A local inspector is familiar with local codes, local regulations, and local environmental issues.
Number 5, they carry errors and omissions insurance.
98% of property inspectors aren't communists, so they're not perfect. So there's a chance they could up. If you have to do corrective work after your inspector gives the house a clean bill of health, errors and omissions insurance can help cover the cost. We hope these tips help you find the right property inspector. Remember, don't be pennywise. Don't do it. I'm Comrade Rourke, and you are the revolution. If you magnificent bastards enjoyed this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. There, you can watch our full-length episodes, like our program on how to battle debt.
Produced in collaboration with Fort Collins Public Media.